Hey guys, your favorite girl Modella here again. So I have been invited from the Big Brother show. Of course, I'm a fake housemate, and I'm about to go through your comments of me in the house. I hope I don't faint here. But yes, let's get through this. Somebody said Modella's wigs should be given a strike. What the F? Like, God, okay. I don't know what's up with my wigs though. But really, like, I just like to pull my wig to the front a bit, like close to my hairline. And I don't know, I just feel like it fits me better that way. But let's see your sis, let's see your wig. Modella has been boring though. Can't blame Biggie for evicting her. Whoa. Her first week, that's for stuff. Her first week, she didn't pull up attacks and she hasn't really brought any content in. Well, I'm not a boring person. It's a live show. A lot of people come across as, hey, it is until you shout, until you make noise or you cause trouble that you're giving content. I just feel like if you're on the live show, be yourself, sis. Biggie, on behalf of Vibrant, thank you for freeing Brian from Modella. Really? Well, Brian would have still wanted me in the house though. So me and Brian, we're really, really cool. And well, whatever happens, happens. I was a fake housemate. I didn't want him to get too attached to me and like slow his game down in any way because Brian is my winner. Yeah, so I just really wanted him to stay focused and all of that. And of course, I'm a fake housemate. I left already. Brian will be fine and we are cool. I'm sure he still wants me to be in the house regardless. Yes. Modella lost the privilege to remain in the house the day she told Biggie to make her a real housemate. Can you imagine? Anyways, a frontal will be missed. Well, I don't think I lost my privilege. If you were the one, wouldn't you want to be the real housemate? Like, I don't know. So I went in, I didn't even have time to process. I mean, people are asking, what do you want? Anything can happen, bro. Anything can happen while in this life. It just feels like you asking God, God, please, I want something. And God says to you, what do you want? You'd say what you want. So I badly wanted to be a real housemate. So I don't think, if you are the one, you want the same anyway. How is it that Modella doesn't lose her voice with the way she shouts? You'd expect she would have lost her voice like 3 times since she came into the house, but nothing. Well, guys, that is how I talk. Like, I don't get it. That is how I talk, actually. And you know how it is when you're trying to, like, communicate with somebody, you're trying to, like, get them to understand, like, talking. So, I don't know. And I don't do it in a bad way, I think. Like, we're just having the conversation. And yes, that is how I talk, guys. You guys have to get used to my voice anyway. So guys, I'm not reading the comments for now. We're gonna get back into that later. And I hope I was able to bring the glass to your goods and answer some questions that you guys have been thinking about. We're gonna catch up later. It was nice talking to you guys. Bye.